In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Calendly and Stripe integration in just 5 minutes. It's quick, easy, and will help streamline your scheduling and payment processes. Let's get started. First, open up your browser and direct yourself to calendly.com. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the upper right corner where you'll find the Login button. Go ahead and click on that. It will prompt you to enter your email address, type it in, and then click Continue. Moving along, enter your password and press Continue to gain access to your Calendly account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself back on the Calendly homepage. From here, navigate to the Integrations and Apps section, which is often situated in the main navigation menu. Give it a click. In the list of available integrations, locate the option for Stripe. This is the tool that will allow you to process payments seamlessly through your Calendly bookings. When you see it, select Connect with Stripe. This will take you through the necessary steps to log into your Stripe account, so follow the prompts that guide you through this straightforward process. As you proceed, you'll need to authorize the integration, allowing Calendly access to connect with your Stripe account. These permissions are essential for the integration to function properly, ensuring that payments can be processed effectively. After authorizing, let's head back to the Calendly interface where we'll shift focus to event types. Click on event types, which you can usually find in the dashboard or main navigation bar. Now decide which event for which you would like to add payment functionality. Select your chosen event and then click on More Options. In More Options, find the payment option and select it. This is where you'll set up the integration to start accepting payments through Stripe. You'll then see an option to Get Paid by Stripe. Choose this option to activate Stripe as your payment method. With Stripe selected, it's time to enter the amount you wish to charge for the event. Be sure to set a fair fee that reflects the value of your service. Once you've entered the amount, double check everything to make sure all details are accurate. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save Changes button, typically at the bottom of the page. Click it to finalize your setup. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Stripe with your Calendly account. Now, whenever someone books an appointment through your calendar, they can conveniently pay through Stripe, making the entire process smooth for both you and your clients. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made integrating Calendly with Stripe a hassle-free experience for you.